I'm in full demolition mode at the moment. I've taken the tree out. I've taken all of the soil out of the side of the house now. We're just digging up this floor bit here. And of course it started raining. So let's get some more digging done. Just typical that whenever you've got a job to do, it absolutely tips it down. So this is just a swimming pool of mud at the moment. Oh my god. To show you what the garden's like now, we've got relatively flat. This will need to be sorted out so I can get the sleeper wall in. Foundations still need to be built here. Found a gas pipe there, and then there's an electric pipe, electric there, which goes into the house. I knew that one would be there. That one I didn't know about. So yeah, got to build the retaining wall, so footings are getting done tomorrow. The tree that I cut out for the Wendy Castle, we ended up ripping the root out as we had the digger, so now that's done. I think we're just going to re-turf all this because this is pretty much full of weeds anyway. And as for the front, there's another load gone, so at the moment 60 tons has gone from the garden. Still got a lot of rubble. What we're going to do is clean up a lot of this pile of stuff and dump it back over there so we can get the van back on the driveway. So my builder's done all this work here. He's dug out all the footings and cemented it in. We ran out of cement, so I've just done this last little bit. This is my little claim to fame. The rest was him. And then we're going to get started on the retaining wall, which I'm going to do another video about separately for that one. So you can see there's going to be some bricks along there. That fence is going to be removed, and then all these bricks need laying. We're going to have to fix this. We found out this is a water pipe, and it's going to go all the way down here. So we're going to fix this water pipe when we move this down pipe here. So the drain pipe is coming out there, and it's sort of going to be cut into the wall there. We've put this weed membrane up because it should work the same as this geotextile fabric. So we're going to tuck all this in, put the drain pipe on top of it, and then backfill all this with gravel. So that's the next job. And then the water pipe, fixing that is the next one. We've cleared up this area now. Then we need to rip up these slabs. Right, so an update with today's jobs. What I decided to do is lay a concrete little mini slab here. It doesn't have to be thick. That's for that step to sit on. And then I'm going to fill in the back of this. I also decided that I'm going to dig out that again, because I'm going to place, because these two sleepers here, they're knackered, they're split down the ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them sort of here and make this double the thickness, because I found a nice fence idea that I want to build on this, so that'll be a future project. Started digging out this trench here because at the moment this is the cable that goes to my shed. As you see, it comes down the house and round, and it came around here and it cut that corner because it's just too short to reach the shed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it all back and bury it into this trench here. Ooh. I'm going to pull it all back and bury it into this trench. Then it's going to go up under the wall, probably up there a little bit, and up there. So I've got to dig that bit of the trench. This here is the water, so that's the pipe that we ruined. That's the concrete footings from the wall that was there. So we've got to dig all that out, dig all this pipe out, and that's going to go all the way up there and into the kitchen there. I'm going to do that and replace it with the water blue pipe, so there's no problems in the future. And then we're going to be moving this inspection hatch over here somewhere. This soil pipe needs to be moved over to here somewhere, so that's coming up soon. But today, yeah, I've cleaned all this area, taken off the gate, ready for this to be dug Saturday. I've sorted out the hole down here where that string is. That's going to be for the internet, because the internet's going to go up there, down the side of this garden and into there. You may ask, why does it not go in the trench? Because internet and electricity shouldn't be right next to each other, causes interference. So the electric's going through there, internet's going up there and there, and that keeps them separated. So I've been filling this in with the gravel and some hardcore that I have left over. I put the weed membrane up on the side here. So as you can see, I filled it up with hardcore back here. And then topping it with dirt on top. And then I'll put some more weed membrane on there, and then some gravel, decorative gravel. So Saturday, this wall's going to get finished up to here. So then we're going to be on to water pipe work, and then probably the drainage, and then we're going to finish this wall. Hopefully you'll see this finished in a separate video. So that's the cable put into the trench. I still need to dig that part of the trench, but we've removed it from here now, which was a real task. I didn't actually show you me disconnecting this because I'm no professional. I roughly know what I'm doing and didn't want to teach anyone my ways. So yeah, just need to dig this bit now. Right, so today's little update is that the wall has been built. So now we have this whole area down here. We had to finish here because we have the water pipe. So the water pipe has been dug out, ready to be replaced, and the drain's going to be dug out. The electric cable to the shed has all been installed. You can just see that there. And that's got this bit left to dig out. Now installed the Ethernet cable wire, which goes up and down the side of the shed. That's going to go to the shed when that's all ready, but that still needs to get buried, and it's going to go straight into the house there. But yes, that's another little update. Sorry I'm not actually videoing any of it. 2 reasons: you don't want to see a fat man dig, and another reason is that I'm working with my builder, and he's doing the majority of the work here. So that's that for that part. My next thing I'm going to try and do is the sleeper wall. So you've seen a little bit of a snippet of it in this video, but I'm actually going to go in detail what I actually did. And then after that, we're going to try and get the conservatory up. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.